difficult part was in this tour was the Rainbow Mountain, this mountain, okay? To the Red Valley, no, my friends. First to the Red Valley, we go down the same way, and then will be the flat, and then steep part, only a short, 5 minutes. About it will be about 5 minutes or 8 minutes, my friends. Okay, okay, my friends. Now, and congratulations to you, my friends. Congratulations to you. Good job, my friends. Good team, my friends. Okay, good job. Okay, mix. Now explanation time. Okay. Now, my friends, behind me, or you can see there, over there, the mountain is, the name is Apu Ausangate. Okay, Apu Ausangate is the highest in the city of Cusco. The altitude approximately 6,400 meters above sea level. Okay, the second is other Salcantay. Apu Salcantay.
Introduction.
Yes,
About
this is our guide of tour guide.
Thank you so much, Mr. My name is Felipe.
My name Bob.
Yeah. Bob. Nice to meet you, Bob.
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 Yeah.
Difficult. Really?
Yeah, Bob.
Bob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is we did Rainbow
Rebel Mountain. Yeah. The altitude is 5,000 meters above sea level in this area.
It was very difficult to get.
Yeah, a little bit.
And, this is the best guide we can get from
The company
Rainbow Mountain Travels.
Thank you so much with booking. We're agency, not Rebel Mountain agency.
So if you're looking for agency for Rainbow Mountain, book this one.
Thank you so much. Your recommend, please.
Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hello guys, this is Vlog from Guatemala. I made two friends with me. This is Brooke.
I'm
This
from
is
Florida.
Jeremiah from Georgia.
Guys, he's
And,
so kind. We're so excited to hang out with him.
we are going to do some shopping in the food market, and then we will go to the little hill with the big horse to see the city of
Yes.
Antigua in Guatemala.
I'm excited. Guys,
I'm so excited.
this is so amazing. Everybody has their own small business here.
Everyone is so kind. So nice.
So maybe we will try to eat some food later, but first we will do maybe shopping for second-hand clothing.
See if we can get here.
Okay, see you later. This is the shoe shop. There are many shoes.
What's your name?
We are gonna order food in a local restaurant. Hello. Can I order tacos de res?
25.
Tacos de res
Yeah.
and milkshake. Milkshake of naranja. Naranja.
Wow.
Naranja. Orange.
We were gonna go somewhere else, but the day before.
Naranja.
Yeah, naranja.
Yeah.
Naranja.
Yeah?
Naranja. No.
We're gonna go eat.
No.
No.
What do you have?
Carrot, blackberry, strawberry,
So that's in America.
Okay, banana.
banana, milk or water?
Water?
Water. Sugar?
No sugar.
No sugar. Okay.
And can I pay you with US dollar?
Adios.
No.
So good to meet you.
And can I pay with credit card?
Have a great day off.
Can I pay with credit card?
Bye.
Cracker.
Credit card? Tarjeta?
Tarjeta? No.
Yeah.
Dollar?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Huh?
It's a big city, but
Ada sih, dollar ya.
really nice. There's lots to do and many cultures there too, like different areas of the city. Yeah.
Yes, dollar.
So I like Canada. I like living in
okay.
Canada.
Okay, it's recording. Okay. Hello, the food is ready. The tacos, the rest, so we are gonna try them with a little lemon. Okay, ready to try.
Oh, really? Okay. I didn't know because I know
Wow, it's really, really, really good.
And we don't believe in idols at all or anything like the way you have Jesus on the cross. We wouldn't do that.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat
We did.
and see you later. Bye bye.
That's it.